Hey guys, welcome to FP29 Breaks, and today I have a box of 2016-17 Canada Juniors. So this box contains 16 packs with 5 cards per pack, and you get 4 autograph or memorabilia cards in every box. So you're getting about 1 hit per every 4 packs. And as you can see from the front of the box, the player that you're trying to get is Mitch Marner. There's also a lot of good players here, like Barzal, Brayden Point, Pierre-Luc Dubois, just to name a few. So let's see if we can get lucky here today. These boxes are on sale. Here in the US, you can pick these boxes up pretty cheap for like 50 bucks on eBay. Or if you go to your local hobby shop in Canada, should be able to get this around $70 to $80 a box. Alright, so I'm going to start off on the right side bottom. So there should be a hit per 4 packs. Maybe there's 1 per section of the box. Alright, right out of the bat, we have a goalie hit. Mackenzie Blackwood. Nice. I wouldn't mind getting an auto of his. Got our decoy. Jersey. Joe Hicketts. Number 24 out of 25. Oh, cool. It's a low number jersey card. Local Legends. Very nice. And Martin St. Louis. Cool. Alright, next pack we got Dylan Dubé, Dylan Strome, Megan Agosta Marciano, exclusives 23 out of 175 Canadian Women Team Forward. Nice. Pierre-Luc Dubois. And Mr. Joe Hicketts again. Oops. Pascal Laberge. Rod Brindamore. Alright, Brendan Perlini. Patch Auto. Sweet. So we got 3 colors there, white, red, and gold. Pretty happy about that. And we have another insert. It's a gold variation of Connor Hall. Cool, 2 hits in 1 pack. Alright, Stevie Y and Anthony Beauvillier. So this one side, we've already pulled 2 jerseys and an auto. Nolan Patrick, Michael McLeod, Program of Excellence, Julian Gauthier, Matt Barzal, and Jake Bean. Alright, let's do the top of the right side. So, I think there's really good value in these boxes if you can pick it up for like 70 bucks Canadian or 50 bucks US. You get 4 hits per box. It's a fun rip. And if you are a Team Canada fan, every pack should bring you a lot of good memories. Tyler Benson, Brayden Point, Mason Shaw. Logo Patch, Mario Lemieux. Holy cow. I really hope this is not a manufactured patch. Darn. You have received a trading card with a manufactured patch. It's too bad. Manufactured patch. Still nice. Not serial numbered. Of course, I would have been just blown out of the water if this was an auto real patch. Probably would have broke my phone. The great one's right behind him, and Rebecca Johnson. Laura Fortino. Jocelyn Larocque. Check out that cool looking patch. It's like a little bit of pink and beige, not really white. Could be from the armband there. Jocelyn Larocque jersey. And Marie-Philippe Poulin. Man, seems like every pack I'm just getting something. Tanner Kaspick. Decoy. Owen Tippett exclusives. Another gold. Roddy Brindamore. John Quenneville. And Mitch Marner. This guy's going to be a 100-point scorer next season. Count on it. Alright, next pack. Dante Fabro. Beck Melenstein. And we got Mario Lemieux, Program of Excellence. This could be a Lemieux hot box. Bailey Bram and David Quenneville. Not sure if there's any Lemieux autos, but if I got one, I wouldn't be surprised. Sam Steele. Boris Kachuk. Charlie Labonte. Decoy Megan Mickelson and Michael McLeod. Alright, so that pack was probably the worst pack I had out of the box. I mean, it wasn't stellar. No hits. So, let's see what we got here. Samuel Girard. Carter Hart is in this. Oh. Cool. Can probably pull one of his auto cards then. Dylan Strome, gold. Noah Gregor and Nolan Patrick. Oh, this box is loaded with a lot of NHL young stars. Mitchell Stevens. Alright, we got a dual patch. Dual jersey. Dylan Strome and Matt Barzal. Cool. Alright, I think I know someone who might like this card. And Dougie G. We got Hayden Fleury. Decoy. Jennifer Wakefield, Program of Excellence. Pascal Laberge, gold. Grant Fuhr, holy moly, look at that mask. Check out that old school goalie gear. Really nice card, cool. It's perfect for Halloween. And Rourke Chartier. Alright, cool. We got 4 more packs left. We may have gotten, well, so far I have 5 big hits. Wonder if we can beat the odds here. Haley Wickenheiser. Emrance Mashmayer. Gold of Nolan Patrick. Jacob Chitrin. And Maxime Comtois. Oops. Alright, we got Mario Lemieux. Jamie Lee Rattray. And whoa, look at this throwback. This is like from 1994 Upper Deck. Team Canada Junior Championship Logan Stanley. Retro card. R20. Cool. Thomas Chabot and Blair Turnbull. Down to our last 2 packs. Mason McQuaid, Emily Clark, Tyson Jost, Decoy Dylan Strome, and Nicholas Haig. So that pack was a bust down to our very last pack. We get another auto. So I only had one auto so far. Looks like a decoy there. Travis Dermott. Michael McLeod. Michael McLeod again. Gold. Martin Brodeur. I don't know about that orange jersey though. Jacob Chitrin. Okay, so we only got one auto. Let's take a look at our hits here. We'll start off with the retro card. Logan Stanley. Then we got our golds of Michael McLeod. Nolan Patrick. Dylan Strome. Pascal Laberge, Rod Brindamore, and we have our exclusives. Oh wait, there's one more. Connor Hall. So we get 2 exclusives per box. Owen Tippett and Megan Acosta Marciano. We have our Program of Excellence inserts. McLeod, Jennifer Wakefield, Julian Gauthier, and Mario Lemieux. And now to our inserts, jersey cards. We've got a dual jersey of Dylan Strome and Matt Barzal. Jocelyn Larocque jersey. Local Legends, Joe Hickett's jersey out of 25. Brendan Perlini, patch auto. And a very sweet Mario Lemieux logo patch. So there's a lot of good value in these boxes. If I see another one, I'll probably pick it up. And I think if you guys have a chance, definitely go get one of these boxes and break it, because it's not too expensive and you get a lot of great hits. Alright, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time.